Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you another 3D printed product that sells really well right now. So let's look at the product. Please don't copy it right away, remix it or make your own version or improve it, but don't steal other people's design. But let's get into it. So let's look at my screen, and this is the product right away. You maybe not see it right away, but it's a tiny baby dumbbell rattle. So it's a gift for babies, and if you shake it, there are small beats inside, so it makes like a rattle sound. And it's a really cute and fun gift idea, so that's really cute. And I think it's also a product that could work well when advertising it, maybe with some baby content, and target mothers or a younger female audience. That could work really well. So this is the product. Let's look at the store. In total, they made 11,000 sales. And let's look at all of those products. It's mostly just the rattles. So if we click on the sales, we can see what they've sold recently, and it's almost entirely this product. So this is insane. 10 sold in the last 24 hours. That's crazy. The reviews are mostly positive, only 5 stars. Here, 4 stars, but that doesn't really matter. So a really good product. I used Erank as well to look at the revenue they generated. It's not 100% accurate, but it gives us a rough idea of how many they sold so far. And it's at 5,692 sales, which brings us to $62,000 in revenue. And that's just a single product. They have the exact same product, but in a different color, and it made 11,000 sales and another 10,000, 6,000. So they duplicated it, which is really smart. If you have a good product, duplicate it and try different thumbnails and maybe titles. So that's what they're doing. Maybe also different tags. Yeah, it looks like they have different tags for every listing. That's great as well. So that's really good. But let's look at another product. This is in the shape. It's also a baby rattle, but it looks like the hammer from Thor. That's really cute. I would be cautious because of copyright. So I'm not sure if I would sell this item, but I just wanted to show you that this is selling as well. Let's look at Erank, and they also made $60,000 in revenue. All right, let's look at another listing. It's a cute little sword. Again, people love it, and this made $28,000 in revenue. So look at the baby rattle market on Etsy, or even better, look at different marketplaces, maybe promote it on Instagram, try different marketing strategies. But as you can see, this is popular right now. There are other versions that are not 3D printed, but I wouldn't look out for those. So the 3D printed versions are really, really popular. One thing I wanted to add is be careful about selling baby toys. They need to be safe. You might need specific or certain licenses or pass some tests so that it is safe for children. So be careful about any legal topics surrounding children's toys. Yeah, you have to look at that for yourself. I just wanted to give you the idea of the product and what you could sell. And if you would like to sell it, I already made the files for this exact product, and you can download it completely for free. That would also support my channel, so thank you. please leave a boost. That would support me as well. Thank you so much. So print it yourself and have fun with it. You are free to sell it. You don't have to pay me anything. And if you would like to see more designs, just look for Baby Rattle on Maker World, because there are great designs as well. And if you need other products to sell, also go to my Maker World account, and on there you can find even more files and ideas on what to sell. All of these files are free and you can use them commercially on your store or wherever you like. So thank you so much for listening. I hope I could help you with this video. So leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.